What is up, guys? Ivan here with getivan.com, and I'd like to welcome you to this video on my template for SEO content and blogging. So this is a peek at what I would consider standards for content for SEO purposes, and also how I have figured out over the years what it takes to create content really quickly. And it basically has to do with creating a formula. Whenever you're approaching a content job, you have to have a formula for creating that content. Otherwise, you can sit around and you can spend a lot of time thinking and trying to figure out, how do I want to do this? But if you base everything on a formula, then it's really easy to sit down and knock out as many articles as you can. And that's really the goal, especially from an agency standpoint. You got to figure out how to create content really quickly and efficiently. And it also really helps when you're covering something that you don't have the most intimate knowledge of, because when you have a formula, then you can approach just about any topic and you can sort of look to answer a series of questions based on that formula. And it makes it a lot easier to create content that way, rather than trying to just pull something creative out of thin air. And so that's pretty much it. This package is a part of my greater do-it-yourself SEO guides membership. So if you want to learn more about that, check out the link below this video, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.